Welcome to today's tutorial on adding Grammarly to Google Docs. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone who wants error-free writing, Grammarly can be your writing companion. In this video, we will show you how to seamlessly integrate Grammarly into your Google Docs. Let's get started. 1. Install the Grammarly extension. Open your Chrome browser, go to the Grammarly Chrome extension page, click Install Now and add the extension to Chrome. 2. Sign up or log in. If you're new to Grammarly, sign up for an account using your email. If you already have an account, log in. 3. Open Google Docs. Go to Google Docs and open your document. 4. Enable Grammarly. Look for the Grammarly icon in the bottom right corner of the page. Click on it to activate Grammarly for Google Docs. 5. Start writing with Grammarly. As you type, Grammarly will provide real-time suggestions. It will catch spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors. You'll also receive style and tone recommendations. 6. Review and accept suggestions. Hover over underlined words or phrases to see Grammarly's suggestions. Accept or dismiss the suggestions based on your preference. Congratulations! You've successfully added Grammarly to Google Docs. Now you can write confidently, knowing that Grammarly has your back. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.